Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's WarriorPlus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. I'm just going to refresh the page just to show you this is not a fake screenshot. And I'm live here, my all-time WarriorPlus account since I started promoting WarriorPlus products. And there's three columns here that we're concerned with. And the column here, let's get the pencil, the column here on the right hand side over here, you'll see I've now earned $18,383.57 in commissions. Total sales for all of these products are in this column here, and the total sales are now at $36,008.15. And this column over there on the left here, there's a product column. This is how many products I've sold. I've sold 3,833 products. I'm going to show you a bit later on in the video how you can boost this number up here. Put a plus sign there, you can boost it up by promoting one link and earning multiple commissions and making multiple sales. And one of the most important things about these results is that we want to show you how to get into profit and stay in profit. Because apart from the monthly membership subscriptions that I've paid or the one-off payments that I've made, then I use free traffic to promote these offers. So roughly about 98% of the results you're seeing here today are profit. So that's the key thing with affiliate marketing, getting you into profit and keeping you in profit. So we'll just delete that. I'm going to come back to that bit later on and show you a few more things with that. More importantly in this video, if you're not familiar with these products, there'll be joining links in the description, or you might just want some more information, and you can get started for $5. That's how I started my WarriorPlus journey. So it's low ticket entry. If you've got a low budget, perfect for beginners on a low budget and a low ticket entry. It's not high ticket affiliate marketing. These products work because they're in an evergreen niche. And if you're not familiar with that term, what it means is that they always will be in demand. And that's because they are traffic products, and everyone needs traffic and more traffic every single month to become successful and make money online. They're also autopilot buyers traffic products, and that's one of the strongest features, because buyers traffic is the most sought after traffic that everyone looks for, because research shows that buyers will buy over and over and over again. And because they're on autopilot, that makes it even better, because if you're like me and you've got a full-time job and you're busy with family and friends and hobbies, once you set your system up and put your offer into the system, it works for you 24 hours, 7 days a week, even while you're asleep. You can earn high ticket affiliate commissions up to $850 with these products. And I put no need to buy. This is another one of the superb features of WarriorPlus products. You don't have to buy and pay the high ticket price to earn these high ticket affiliate commissions. I'm going to show you a bit later on in the video how that works. Because these are autopilot buyers traffic products, when you put your lead capture page into the system and somebody opts in, then you'll start to build your own buyers list, because every single member within these systems are already buyers. And your buyers list is the best asset you can have online, Because once you start to build your own buyers list with these systems, you can then promote other offers to buyers. You can promote other traffic offers, software offers, opportunities, because everyone's always looking to make more and more money online. My goal is to teach you how to get into profit and stay in profit every single month, not get into lots of debt, buying high ticket products, start out small, build and scale up, and when you get more and more profits, then you can go for the higher ticket products with the profits that you're making. I'm going to give you the free tools and done for you systems to help you succeed that our team uses. And part of those systems is the fact that you can earn multiple profitable passive income streams. And this is on top of your WarriorPlus income as well. I'm going to show you some real proof it works. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not making any income claims or product claims or giving you any guarantees in this video. This video is for educational purposes only. So let's have a look now at some of the reasons why this really works. If you look down the right hand side here in the commission column, down here, what you'll see some circular arrows. Now, if you look at these circular arrows, any gaps where there aren't circular arrows is where new members are joining. But when you see all of these circular arrows down here, it says recurring payments. So these are new ones that have just joined. They're in their second month. And down here, this one here, says 25 months recurring payment. So you're going to get a high retention of happy members because they're happy with the traffic. They're getting autopilot buyers traffic. But a lot of the members are also, like me, becoming affiliates and getting into profit as an affiliate. So you're going to get this high retention here. This one's been paying 27 months in a row. They're new. See if we can get some more down here. So this is over 2.5 years in a row, every single month. That's 7 months. That's over 2 years. They're new. That's nearly a year. That's nearly 2 years. That's nearly 3 years. So all of these are recurring, all these circular arrows. So the key thing to affiliate marketing, one of the key things I recommend is that you promote membership subscription products, and then you get automated, profitable, passive income coming in every single month. Now, another reason is where you can earn from your referrals upgrades, even if you don't upgrade yourself. That's what I mentioned earlier. So I'm just going to give you an example here of the click generator, the all new click generator. And you can earn up to 800, that should say 850 in high ticket commissions, even if you don't upgrade yourself. So you're going to promote one link. You're going to get your affiliate link here. You get automatically approved when you become a member and you pay your $5 a month here. Now, what happens is there's John and Frank are traffic experts, and they've put 22 products within that system. So if any of your referrals upgrade and buy any of these products, let's say they might want to buy some more traffic, they want to buy some more clicks, you would earn these commissions over here. There's one here for $600. That'd be a one-time payment. There's one down here, like I mentioned earlier, for $850. Now, let's say as an example, they wanted to buy just an additional slot. They wanted a bit more traffic. They buy an additional slot for $35, and you would earn $17 in commissions. But that's a recurring payment. Look at the circular arrows here on the left-hand side. This is monthly recurring profits. You're paying $5 a month over here. And then all of these are recurring. I think there's 7 recurring products down here. So this is one of the great features of WarriorPlus. You can join for $5 and potentially earn up to $850 in affiliate commissions. Now, let me just show you some proof that that actually happens. So this is my Gmail here. And today's date is the 15th of February. And you'll see the dates down the right-hand side here. Now, if you look here, this is a traffic product, a new one called Exit Traffic Network. This is a $94 commission that came in. This is a $60 commission that came in. So these are all upgrades that I haven't purchased myself, 32, 22. And if you look at the complete commissions, you total it all up. So this was all on February the 12th. This was 3 days ago. All of these upgrades came to $253. The one came in here yesterday as well. But I want to show you some real proof that these higher ticket affiliate commissions can come in even if you don't upgrade yourself. So let me show you now the free done for you systems that we've created that our team uses over here. So we're going to use an example of the click engine. This is a complete click engine success system. It's totally free. Won't cost you a penny to join and set up. Totally free. Oops. Now, again, show you some proof that it works. So this is today. WarriorPlus. You earned click engine $2.29. This is a brand new click engine member today, which is came in at 12:09 p.m. And you'll see it's also on here. 15th of the 12th. That's a different time because that's the USA time and I live in England, in the United Kingdom. This is a new one that came in today. So the systems that we give you, totally free, that we use ourselves, do work. We've put here, follow a proven step system. So what we do, all you do, set this system up. It's really beginner friendly. All you do is follow these video tutorials down here. I've created these videos that will teach you how to set this system up step by step. And the system is set up on Leads Leap. So this page, these 3 pages will be completely cloned to you. A lead capture page, the welcome page, that this one is what you're on now. And I've even handwritten the email follow-ups for you as well. I haven't used Chat GPT. So all you do to set the system up is you click here, you join Leads Leap. Now, if you're not familiar with Leads Leap, you get a free lifetime membership and you get traffic and all of these tools for free. That's why we use Leads Leap, because you can also earn affiliate commissions as a free lifetime member. So you click on it, you get your free membership, set it all up. And then what you do, you come into Leads Leap and you just copy and paste these codes. And all these pages will be cloned to you. All the videos are on here. You don't do any videos. We do all the explaining and telling for you. And all you do is put your affiliate links into these buttons here. And then you learn the commissions when your prospects come here and they join. You learn the click engine commissions like I've just shown you. And you learn the Leads Leap commissions. Let me show you how the Leads Leap commissions work. I'll go into my dashboard and I show you the potential of monthly recurring profits. So you'll see here my total income for Leads Leap affiliate commissions is now at $3,621. So even as a free member, if we compare the 2 plans here, this is your free plan that you'll join here for free on the left. And then to come down here, it says affiliate commissions. You will earn 25%, that's monthly recurring commissions, when your direct referrals upgrade to Pro. Now the important thing here is, with these 25% monthly recurring commissions, the important thing here is it's profit. So when I mentioned earlier, I'm teaching you how to get into profit and stay in profit. You don't have to ever upgrade if you don't want to do. and you can build up these 25% monthly recurring profits. And then what you can do is, which is what I did, I took a percentage of my profits and upgraded to Pro. And then you earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. Then you also get automated traffic and you get automated email follow-ups. But you can set the system up here with the free membership and you can earn those commissions. And you'll see with ClickEngine, we've turned a $5 a month product I've turned it into nearly $4,000 in commissions for $5 a month. Now down here, this is really important as well. Down here, we also give you free traffic to promote your ClickEngine system. So you click on here, you join all of these, you're going to get credits where you can immediately promote the ClickEngine with all the free traffic you get in here. Now what's also important is you can put your affiliate links in here as a free member, and as a free member you can earn affiliate commissions if your referrals upgrade. So it works the same way as Leads Leap. Now, is it worth you putting your affiliate links in here? People do email me and they say, oh, Barry, you've got these other 5 products in here. Is it worth my time setting all that up? And the answer is yes, because if they click here to join Proactive Mailer and they upgrade, you will earn affiliate commissions. Let me show you the potential of that. This is my Proactive Mailer playlist on YouTube, and I've earned $1,144 in Proactive Mailer referral commissions, not just the commissions that I've earned from sending out emails in the Safe List mailer, but these are Proactive Mailer affiliate commissions, and a percentage of those have come from these pages here. So what you're doing is when you set up this system, when you set up this page here, you're turning this page into a 7 income stream page. There's 5 income streams here, and there's 2 income streams here. That's why it's worth your time setting up the system, because once it's set up, you're only going to promote 1 link, and that'll be a lead capture page, and that's it. And then the system will do the rest for you. So it works. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. I'm currently doing several new uploads every week, and if you've got any questions or comments about today's video, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And I always put my email address in the description below this video, so if you want to contact me through email, then I'll reply to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.